Vanafuti. So guys, this is a screenshot actually. As I was saying, I took a trade on this pair. So actually, what I saw is it was the price pushed to this one, and it created what a counter trend, lower time frame trend. That was bearish, and it created equal highs, equal lows right here, and then it triggered people that it's like starting to go up, but it was also trapping early buyers that were in here, and then it came back down to take out those buyers, their stops, their sell stops, and then that's the liquidity actually. And then after that, the price break structure to the upside aggressively, and then it left this point of interest. So actually guys, I was waiting for a price to return in this point of interest to mitigate it, and then I will go to lower time frame like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, where I will also get a break of structure similar to this break of structure, even if it is not similar, but the story needs to be aligned with this 10 minutes chart. Okay, let's go to the real charts now so I can show you. Okay, now actually this is our TP. So let me okay, I'll be fast guys, like I'll be very fast. So remember that was 10 minutes, right? It was 10 minutes. So what we had guys is we had this high, and then we had this lower low, this higher low, which created this higher high. But the price didn't mitigate my order block. So the price, what did it do? The price just accumulated close to my point of interest, and then it left me without my entry, like without even triggering right over here. Just look at this. It's half peep to tap me, and then it broke structure. Once it broke structure, I was like, okay, let me just risk this percentage, because I can see this might work, and then it go up, and it can also come back down, and then it also has to mitigate and must go up. But in this case, it didn't come down to mitigate it, so I was just like, okay, let me just risk. So what happened? The price accumulated close to my point of interest. It created a lower low, and then actually it started consolidating, and then it created a spring to the downside, which took the stops of buyers who were buying right over here, and then it broke structure to the upside again. Remember, the purpose of accumulation is to collect liquidity before moving to the upside aggressively. Same like distribution. It's the purpose of distribution is to collect liquidity and push price to the downside. It's just the opposite of accumulation. So yeah guys, so what I think here, what I was thinking here was like, let me just enter there, and I'll put my stop right over here, and I'll also, if the price come down to this my point of interest, my original point of interest, I'll just wait for the price to reach my point of interest, and then I'll just wait for a structure like normally. But this accumulation, you have to understand the phases of accumulation. Okay, so I entered on this point of interest right here, so the price triggered me, and it went back up to create what, a new highs. Again, remember, this was our swing high to swing low. So what I saw is, I saw a first like a PS, and then I saw a bullish, like a buying climax, and I saw like it was starting distribution. But I know after accumulation, you have to expect what, you have to expect reaccumulation. So every time the market also the market every time, if the market every time creates accumulation, just be if you didn't catch the trade on accumulation, just wait for reaccumulation. Showcase will get the entry on reaccumulation, same as like here. So the consolidation was not very clear for me, but I just knew the process, what the language and the composite operator was doing right over here. So the composite operator was trying to trigger sales, or introduce sales, because a lot of people were selling over here. they sold, and they were took it out, and then they thought this was a stop hand, so the price broke to the downside. It must come back down to come, and then the price just went straight up, taking all this liquidity above here, taking all this liquidity up above here. If you can think about it, just like be logic about it, they once the price tap on this point of interest, you need to see the price. What you need to see the price moving very like aggressively or faster. Why? It's because the price has taken the liquidity or has freed the liquidity. So if it has freed the liquidity, the price will drive the liquidity will drive the price faster because it has momentum. So yeah, guys, so let me just show you what my was my target. So my target was not too crazy, guys. Was not too crazy. Actually, I was just waiting for this one, for this to reach. Actually, it was one is to 10. So now we're running at one is to 15. So yeah, guys, this is a great trade. Sorry if I'm not revealing everything, but guys, we also teach these things on our boot camps. If you wanna like contact us, please go to Instagram and search for mfanafuti underscore fruit, and message me, inbox me. I'll just show you guys everything. So yeah, so we out.